Welcome to VK's Introductory Macroeconomics and Indian Economic Development textbooks, now with anytime, anywhere access to your personal digital library. With just one scan, you'll gain instant access to a wide range of exclusive resources that'll take your economics learning to the next level. You can click on any of the features you want to access whenever you need them. Here's what's waiting for you inside the digital library. CBSE Sample Question Paper 2025 Solved. Answer key to unsolved questions. International Commerce Olympiad PYQs. AVLRs, Audio-Visual Learning Resources. CUET Supplementary Content. CBSE Announcements and Syllabus. VK's Economics, Revolutionizing Learning, Empowering Economics Enthusiasts.